Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to Maple Leaf Customs. I'm Andrew, and on the bench today is a 1:64 scale Hot Wheels 1970 AMC Rebel Machine. It came out in the 2012 Boulevard Legends line. Designed by Brendan Vetuskey, and it features the well-known hood scoop, the 4-speed Hearst shifted trans, and heavy-duty suspension. I believe mine is a 2021 Muscle Mania edition. And this is my entry to this month's Four Horsemen invitational. And the theme, you can see, is Shiny Rust. And there's a sneak preview of April's theme car. Speaking of what's coming up, I don't want you to miss the next car in my personal Fury Road inventory, the Gigahorse. I put a lot of work into that one, and I'm sure you will enjoy watching the video. I'm breaking down the Rebel Machine. It's a plastic base, all in chrome, and there are no surprises in the rest of the car. It's a 2-seat sport interior, all black, plastic, brand new out of the pack, so there's not a mark or a blemish on the windscreen or on the body. And there's the simple parts all laid out. I drill out the posts with a 1mm drill bit and then file the rough edges so that I can fit a 256 size self-tapping screw in the front and the back, and it's good procedure to do that at the first of the restoration, not at the end. I want to give a community shout out today to Simple Kustoms by Eddie Papandrea. Eddie's a character. We call him the Godfather, and he has given me plenty of entertainment on his channel, so please follow the link that I've left in the description and get all subbed up and help Eddie to continue to grow his excellent channel. I've brushed on my paint stripping gel and speeded up the camera to 20 times fast forward so you can see it blister up, so much so that it easily comes off just by using a dry dollar store paintbrush. I didn't put any gel stripper on the hood or on the rear quarter panel on the passenger side. I want those to be original but look a little bit scuffed up. So this theme of shiny rust was a complete conundrum to me. I didn't know even what it meant. It was like jumbo shrimp or pretty ugly. I had to seek help. Xavier from Diecast Show Customs, one of the Four Horsemen who actually chose this theme, has an excellent tutorial on his channel. I'm showing you some brief clips here. There it is, rusty and shiny. Now here's my procedure, and I'll point out a couple of ways that I went different than Xavier did. I started with a rust base coat. And this is hairspray that I'm going to use instead of any kind of store-bought heavy chipping solution. It does the same thing, and it's multiple times cheaper. I've used the AK Interactive heavy chipping solution. I've done salt chipping before, but you'll see today the good effect that I get with hairspray. And then I'm using my airbrush instead of hand brushing this on, and there's no real big reason why to do one other than the other. They both work effectively. And you can see I'm doing multicolored replacement panels on here, and when it's all dried up, you activate the hairspray underneath by using a wet toothbrush or toothpick, and you just reveal the rust coat underneath. Now, if you keep at this aggressively, you can remove all the paint this way, but we just want to get a rust effect. And I decided I had too much yellow and it was a little dark here and there, so now I'm actually hand brushing on some blue to match the AMC colors. And then I'll apply the toothbrush to that and get the same rust speckled look from underneath. While it's all drying and setting up, I turn my attention to the plastic chassis. I've taped off the wheels and I'm giving them a blast of black spray paint, including the wheels, so I'm getting rid of the reflective red rims, and they're going to be matte black, more of a stock car racer look. And then I have to re-chrome the front and the back. That's easily done with the Molotow pen. And I give the same treatment underneath to the chassis. If you're new to the hobby, these exhaust details are built into the casting in relief, and all you've got to do is just sort of hit them in the highlight spots and you'll get a nice exhaust effect. Once again, trying to match the AMC colors, I thought a Valvoline decal on the roof would be great. And I put the AMC sticker on the hood scoop. There's my channel logo on the bottom while I've got all my decal tools out. Goodyear was a sponsor on the rear quarter panels, so I've put an extra one on this dark trunk lid. And because it's a Rebel machine, I put a skull and crossbones on one of the dark panel replacement doors. And just to make it look like it's been in the home garage, I did one mismatched rim. Reassembly is no problem because there's so few pieces involved in the Rebel machine, and little press on the front and the back gives me that click sound that I look for, that it's fit back together well, and I lock it down with the screws that were pre-fitted at the beginning. Let's zoom in for a closer look. See all the effects that I got? I'm quite pleased with how it turned out. First time that I've used the hairspray, and I recommend that to you. It works just great. So it's rusty, and with 2 or 3 coats of high gloss clear, it's shiny as well. So I can check both those boxes off. It was quite interesting for me. I've never seen it done before. Alright, there, kind of a dirt track stock look to it. It was pristine in the beginning, right out of the box. And when I was all finished with it, looks like it's done a few laps on the dirt track, doesn't it? You can see that mismatched rim on the front driver's side, and in my garage diorama, probably getting tuned up between races. I think it gave a pretty good rust effect, and with the clear coat on top, shiny rust you want, shiny rust you get today. I don't know if the kids will grab for this before a Lamborghini, but into a blister pack it goes, and I'll take it to the Goodwill shop where it will become a free gift for a little boy or girl. And I want to thank you for watching today. Be sure to catch all of the other entries in this month's Invitational. It's coffee time.